Good morning, students. Today I am here with Chemical Effects of Electric Current Part 2 of 8th Standard. In this session, we are going to discuss electrolysis of water, electroplating and uses of electroplating. So let us start the session. First, it is about electrolysis of water. Electrolysis, it is made up of two words. Electro means electrical and lysis means breaking. So, splitting of water into hydrogen and oxygen with the help of electric current is called as electrolysis of water. We know that water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. The formula of water is H2O. So, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen, it will form the water. So, when electric current is passed through the water, then both hydrogen and oxygen splits, and this phenomena is called as electrolysis of water. Whenever electric current is passed through water, then oxygen gas bubbles are produced at the electrode connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Why? Because oxygen is having negative charge, and so unlike charges attract, so therefore oxygen being having negative charge, it will attract toward the positive terminal of the battery. Whereas hydrogen gas are produced at the electrode connected to the negative terminal. Why? Because hydrogen is having positive charge. So it will be always attracted toward the negative terminal of the battery. Here you can see setup of an electrolysis experiment. Cathode is a negative electrode and anode is the positive electrode. Here you can see electrolysis of water. Anode is positive, so therefore oxygen is collected towards the positive end, being oxygen negative charge, and hydrogen is collected at the cathode because cathode is negative and hydrogen is positive. Now the next concept is electroplating. What is electroplating? It is simply the process of depositing a layer of any desired metal which we want on another material with the help of electricity. So this is called as electroplating, means depositing a layer of desired metal over another material with the help of electricity. It is called as electroplating. For example, for electroplating of copper on an object, the object is dipped in acidified copper sulfate solution and it is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Now, a copper strip is dipped in the solution and connected to the positive terminal of the battery. When we are doing this, an electric current is passed through the solution, then copper from the copper strip is deposited on the object. Here you can see different electroplating. In the first case, you can see here that gold anode is present and aluminum glasses frame to be plated. So gold is coated over the aluminum. Now here you can see copper sulfate solution is present. So copper anode and brass cathode, you will observe, then what will happen? The copper is getting deposited over the brass cathode and it looks golden color due to the deposition of copper. So in this way the electroplating is done. Now let us see what are the uses of electroplating. Electroplating plays an important role in industry for coating metals object with thin layer of any desired metal. It prevents rusting also. So that is why it is coated over another desired metal. We know that chromium has very shiny appearance and it does not corrode. It is a rustless metal. So chromium plating is done on an object that is made up of iron, like bicycle parts, car parts, taps, gas burners, wheel rims, etc. So that the rusting may not occur, the corrosion may not occur. Jewelry maker also electroplate gold and silver on less expensive metals so that it looks the appearance of gold or silver, and it will be less costlier also, but it is looking like gold and silver, so this can be done. Tin cans used for storing food are electroplated with tin over iron because tin is rustless and the iron is corrosive, and tin is also less reactive than iron, so it protects iron from corrosion. So tin is coated over the iron can. Iron objects are also coated with zinc to protect corrosion. Here you can see the different electroplated materials: bicycle, that rims, tap, lock, keys. Here also there are so many materials which are electroplated, and the process of electroplating is done. Here also you can see the electroplated gold watch, copper plated mug, silver plated teapot, silver plated goblet, chrome plated tap. So these are the materials which are to be electroplated over the other desired metal. Here also chromium plating in case of tap, kitchen stove, car grill, wheel rim, bicycle handle, bicycle bell. So all these are chromium plated. Thank you. For any kind of doubts, please write your question in comment section.